Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's see another variation of SJF algorithm. So how SJF is going to work? SJF means shortest job first, means which will give the priority to the process which having lowest burst time. Right? Let us try to draw the Gantt chart so that we can get understood what is happening in this particular example. So assume that this is a CPU and 0 nanoseconds it is just started. By the arrival time of 0 nanoseconds, is there any process available readily? No. So it has to wait for up to 2 nanoseconds. It will wait for up to 2 nanoseconds so that process P4 and process P6 will be readily available. Right? As we are discussing with the non-preemptive mode, here which will get the chance? P4 burst time is 8, P6 burst time is 10. Will give a chance to lower burst time, right? So P4 will get the chance and execute for 8 units completely because it is non-preemptive, so that it will be done by 10 units. By the completion of 10 units, all the processors are available. P1, P2, P3, P5, P6 and P10. Now how it will work? The process which having the less burst time. What is the process which having the less burst time? So given chance to P3. So it will be 1 unit. So it will done by 11. And then given chance to P1 and it will have 2 units of time and done by 13. So it is done. Next given chance to this 3 units. So P5 will be done for 3 units, that will be done by 16. Next level of burst time will be 6. As we observe here, 2 burst times having same value. When 2 burst times are equal, what you have to do now? You have to check with their arrival times. If arrival times also equal, then we have to go with the process ID which is very less. Right? In this particular scenario, 2 process having the same burst ID, same burst time, then we will go with the arrival time. So give chance to P2 will be done for 6 units of time, that will be 22. Next P7 will be done for 6 units of time, that will be 28. Next we will give chance to the last process P6, burst time will be 10 units, so it will be completed by 38. This is the way your SJF algorithm is going to work, right? Once you have drawn the Gantt chart, you can able to solve any other kind of questions what is asked in the gate. Hope you understood this video clearly.